Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by confirming your iPhone is updated and backed up. This prevents surprises. Once done, open Settings and tap Display and Brightness to access the native display options. Make sure you understand iOS limits. Apple doesn't expose arbitrary pixel controls, so the two usable paths are Display Zoom for general scaling or Accessibility Zoom for temporary magnification. Tap View Display Zoom, or return to Settings and keep accessibility in mind if you need on-demand magnification. Now change the scaling. In Display and Brightness choose View, pick Standard or Zoomed and tap Set. Your phone will restart to apply the new scale. If you need adjustable magnification instead, go to Settings Accessibility Zoom and turn it on. Learn the three-finger double tap and drag to control zoom level. For developers or exact output, mirror to a Mac, QuickTime to inspect pixels. After any change, open key apps to make sure UI elements still fit and function correctly. Finish by systematically verifying common apps, the home screen layout, and the keyboard. Make sure nothing is clipped or unreadable. If something looks off, revert to Settings Display and Brightness View and set to Standard or Disable Accessibility Zoom. This usually fixes scaling anomalies. If problems persist, force restart the device, and if needed, restore from the backup you made earlier. Key troubleshooting tip. If UI glitches remain after restart, restore iOS via Finder or Xcode recovery.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.